Nano Banana, Midjourney. Two titans of AI image generation enter the arena. One lightning fast, one limitless in creativity. Which one really delivers? On the left, the ultra-speedy, precision-focused Nano Banana. And on the right, the dreamlike artist-powered Midjourney. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. By the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Here's our mind map of everything we're judging these tools on today. Visual quality and artistic style, speed and efficiency, prompt accuracy and realism, creativity and style variety, pricing and ecosystem, and of course, community and support. Pretty much covers it all, right? All right, first up, visual quality and artistic style. Nano Banana, honestly, it's super sharp. Like, we're talking really clean lines, high fidelity. And if you want your prompt followed to the letter, Nano nails it. But I'll say it does feel more, I don't know, like a commercial photo shoot. There's less of that artistic drama. Now, Midjourney. This is where things flip. Midjourney has that unmistakable, kinda cinematic painterly look, the stuff people actually screenshot and show off. You get insane aesthetic flexibility and those textured, dreamlike vibes. So, yeah, they sometimes miss a tiny detail if your prompt's ultra complex, but the trade-off is pure art. I mean, who doesn't want a bit of style as long as the basics are right? For me, Midjourney takes the cake on visual oomph. Jumping into speed and efficiency, Nano Banana is just, seriously, on another level. Bam! Images pop up in 3 seconds flat, and it barely touches your hardware. If you need hundreds of images for a batch, this thing's your marathon runner. The one catch? Its style versatility isn't as wild as Midjourney's. Then there's Midjourney. It's quickish, like 10 to 60 seconds. Gives you 4 images in a batch. But oh man, it'll eat up GPU like Pac-Man if you go big. You also start feeling the cost if you crank out tons. So, just for raw speed, I mean, come on. Nano Banana's got this hands down. Next, prompt accuracy and realism. Nano Banana, again, shines here. If you're that person who wants perfect lighting, spot-on composition, and faces that look like they actually exist, Nano's photorealism, especially for faces and product shots, just nails it. The only thing is, it's less moody or painterly, which, I mean, works if you want clarity. Midjourney, though, leans further into interpretation. It's good, but sometimes if your prompt's complex, you get more vibes than specifics. Still, for realism with a touch of fantastical flair, it's awesome. But Nano Banana sticks to the details, so it edges out the win. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Nano Banana gets its name from nanosecond speed and, yeah, viral banana memes. Seriously, kinda silly, kinda genius. Love it. Creativity and style variety. Let's get weird. Nano Banana is neat if you just want a clean meme or something super clear. But it's kind of a straight shooter. It doesn't go off the rails or surprise you much. Midjourney? Oh my. This is where the magic happens. Want surreal? Want abstract? Want something that actually makes you go, wait, AI made this? Midjourney gives you styles from dreamy to photo perfect and everything in between. Sometimes it's almost too creative if you need it to be hyper literal, but that's half the fun. So, Midjourney sweeps this round for creativity. Easy win. Pricing and ecosystem. Now, this is where things get interesting. Nano Banana, honestly, pretty generous here. There's a free tier, and the premium plans won't break the bank. You can hop on the web, grab the mobile app, or tap into the API for your own wild projects. Downside, the ecosystem's still growing. You don't get as many third-party plugins. Now, Midjourney, you get a massive Discord community, lots of pro subscriptions. It feels more bustling. But oh, you can't just test drive. It's pay to play, access mainly through Discord, no freebies. So, from a pure cost and versatility angle, Nano Banana is the smarter wallet pick. Community and support. So, Nano Banana, right? It's catching up, especially among devs and tinkers. But if you want tutorials, templates, and people to bounce ideas off, it's not there yet. Midjourney, on the other hand, is like jumping into a busy art festival every time you log in. It's global, massive. There's showcases, guides, competitions. Sometimes noisy, sure, but you'll never run out of inspiration. Straight up, Midjourney wins this easily. Quick recap. Here's how these two stack up across every category. You can really see where Nano Banana blazes ahead in speed, precision, and affordability, while Midjourney owns creativity, visual style, and community. It's wild how complementary they are. Okay, final thoughts. If you want lightning-fast, super accurate images for product shots or meme edits, Nano Banana is your go-to. But if you crave something emotive, artistic, or one-of-a-kind, Midjourney is on another level. So the winner? Well, honestly, it's Midjourney overall for art, but Nano Banana is unbeatable for speed and clarity. Depends how you roll. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.